Hey, it's nice to meet you. What's your name? Sorry if I seem a little bit strange. It's just that I've been waiting for this to come along. Hey, would you mind it if we stayed and talked about the things we hate alike and the weather outside and maybe someday?
Hi, Sis. Happy birthday to you. Host all of the. I wish for you good health. It's pretty, 60, beautiful, gorgeous. Host the. I hope you enjoy your coming this Sunday birthday. And enjoy your day, and don't forget always to God, and I'm here always for you to support on live stream. Thank you so much for helping my WE. I hope more blessings this year coming, sis, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And once again, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ugma ko kanimo, parang kambot ko. Naga ako. Ang gugma ko kanimo, parang tambot ko, maga aso. Happy birthday to you, sis. I wish you, I love you. Mama. Bye.
Happy birthday, Miss G. May you have more and more birthdays, parties, celebrations, and friends to come your way. I would also like to thank you for all the help that you have given my channel. I even graduated on your live stream because of your undivided help. I will always be here to support you. Happy birthday.
Hello, si Chema Rugla. Happy birthday, Miss Chi. Word of Chi. Good Chi. Mahusay na Chi. Beautiful Chi. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. Blessings to come. Sana marami ka pang matulungan na katulad namin, small YouTuber dito sa mundo ng YT. Sana hindi ka magsawa sa mga kakulitan ng imong mga kaibigan, mga kalablaban, ang mga puyaters. Happy birthday, Word of Chi, Mom Chi. Thank you so much for helping each and every one of us. More birthdays to come. May God wish you good health and more blessings. Thank you.
Hi, sa maganda naming host. Naka-lipstick ako, naka-lipstick para maganda ako tingnan. Siyempre nakakahiya naman para sa aming maganda.